Come on, baby, take a leap of faith. We got a love that's worth the wait. Darling, you've been on my mind. Gonna love you to the end of time. And I know you're the one. Our story's just begun. I'm never gonna let you go. With your love I'll never be alone. There's only one thing I know for sure. I'm never gonna let you go. Come on, baby, what you waiting for? You and me could be so much more. There's something I've been dying to say. Honey, let's take a leap of faith. And I know you're the one. Our story's just begun. I'm never gonna let you go. With your love I'll never be alone. There's only one thing I know for sure. I'm holding on forevermore. I'm never gonna let you go. With your love I'll never be alone. There's only one thing I know for sure. I'm never gonna let you go.
Are we just smaller versions of a bigger home? Are you the rivers in your veins and mine, the flakes that become snow? And you might believe that everything is broken, fragments of sentences we haven't spoken. But maybe, are we just jagged lines across a barren sea? Are the shapes inside a sundisk the same as the arms of trees? And saying we're a shell of what we used to be. Maybe we're smaller. Are we just smaller? And I Are we just searching for a little highwayman? Are the lines between us just a pass to a vacant past? And you still make me think of what